Hi everyone, it's Ars from my car, see Dan there as well. So just an update on the job. We had some plumbers in. So today we're going to be tackling this catnic lintel. Take that beam out. We're probably going to cut it around here where catnic will sit first, support that, and then we'll take that out once catnic is in and bricked in, just as a precaution so nothing goes. We'll obviously use a strongboys for that. Just to show you quickly what's happening here. This is insulated nearly. These last bits were taken out today, plumbing wise, so that can be all filled in. Same that side, that's pretty much ready to go. Pipes are in. For new utility, cables in. Today this will be bored. Well, we start boarding this today after we've done the catnic here, and then that's where we are with the rest of it. Kitchens come out partially. Pipes are in there for toilet when we get around to it. We are on a sort of tight time frame at the moment, getting ready for plasters. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying it, and we'll catch up with you soon.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move.
Hi everyone, just a quick update. Don't make a mistake what I did. When you put a catnic lintel, so what you need to do, you need to put your props one course above where you're going to put it to allow for a just a second, I'll show you. To allow for this rib to go in, because you're going to slide in from inside, so this will be in the way otherwise, so you need it so you can place it in. And just a heads up, yeah, rushing isn't great honestly, but that's just the advice. Check where you put them in, so I'm gonna have to redo mine, which won't take too long, but just double work, so.
First love, we were young and wild, we were up all night.
Ooh. Shove it. Have you done that before?
Super mask.
Yeah mate, who needs a mask? This is a hemp-free value.
That's it, cotton mask.
It's in the top mate, that top bit's mask.
Yeah.